adrenaline's rushed like I never have before.
The last time I was at Raceway Park was the early 60s. And then I went to Vietnam, came back, and that was the end of my racing career.
Chris Forsberg here, and we want to introduce you to the K&N Premium Experience to take Bill, who has seen this track, from its very early years to what it has become now. So we're going to pop him in the car and introduce him to drifting the best way possible. Have you ever been in a drift car?
No, I haven't.
You want to go for a ride, hop in the car, and kind of show you what these things do?
Yes, I would.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh,
I bet you would like that as a racer yourself. All right, let's go.
I never thought this would happen in my lifetime.
Couldn't have been a better winner of that experience because Bill used to drag race here in the 1960s.
I've been using K&N filters since 1981.
Thank you, K&N. This is the best day ever in my entire life. I loved it.